Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore the component library and how you can use pre-built components to quickly build and customize entire sections of your website. Refoundry includes over 70 pre-built components that can be used on any website and fully customized to match your design. Inside the Patterns panel, you'll find organized categories like banners, grids, intro sections, and many more. Let's build a simple page using these components. I'll start by adding an intro section. I can expand the component to see all the nested blocks inside the section. This makes it easier to select and edit specific elements like containers, columns, and text blocks. First, I'll change the container color to blue. Let's change this text to green, and I'll change the rest of the text to white. Let's add some padding to create more space around the content. I also want to change the container width to full width, so it stretches across the section. Let's preview it. Now I'll add a grid component. I'll change the container color to light blue, and let's change this text to green. I can also change this column to blue, change the color of the text, and change the button styling. If needed, I can also change this image. I'll quickly customize the second column as well. Now let's preview the full page. You've created an intro section and a grid section using pre-built components fully customized to match your design. Using the component library helps you cut down build time, maintain layout consistency, and start with a solid structure that you can refine as needed.